Hello friends, welcome back. Now today we will discuss about the different components of the cost estimate. That what are the different components which are indulged, like if we have to estimate the cost of the product being manufactured. Okay, so there are numerous components for a cost estimating, and we will discuss all that here, and we will discuss in brief also and in detail also in different videos. So first we will write down what are the different factors which comes under component of the cost estimate. So first one we have design cost. First of all, we will make the design of the component which we have to manufacture, and the design cost is estimated from the expected time for the design of that component. This may be done on the basis of the similar job previously done, but for the new or it's a complicated job, the estimator would need to consult with the designer that how much time it will take, or if the design is done by the outside contractor, the amount paid to that contractor would be the design cost. It may comes under the, like, we will calculate it, uh, design designing done per hour, that is rate, and total time of designing into rate, we will get the design cost. So from this we will get the design cost. Okay, now second component is our engineering cost. Second component is our engineering cost. The engineering or drafting cost includes the engineering time, okay, in simulating and modeling to validate the design. So here we have done the designing, and here secondly we are doing the engineering. So engineering work will, what it will include, it will include the simulation also and modeling as per the designing also. Okay, and to prepare the engineering drawing needed for the production. So after that, simulating and doing modeling, and also in this part engineering drawing are also prepared. Like if we are manufacturing, like if we are making a assembly, so the part drawings of the the engineering drawings of the past are also parts and tooling and all that, that covers in this engineering work. This would be primary engineering man hour and computer time cost. So it will also, like we will have the rate of this in hours also. Okay, and from that we will calculate according to how much time it will take in our engineering, and from that we will get the total engineering cost. Okay, now third one is our research and development cost. Research and development cost. So this may contain your theoretical work also, experimental work also, development work also, and prototype also. So what it will contain, all the work that is your theoretical work. Okay, your experimental work. Okay, development work, or it's a prototype work. All your that work covers in research and development cost. Okay, these costs are difficult to estimate, okay, for the new products, and are often included in the overhead cost. The development and prototype cost can often be attributed, okay, during development part. Okay, but it is difficult to estimate these costs prior to the start of the development, because there are many types of difficulties come when we actual develop the product that we can't see in your theoretical work. Okay. Now your we have discussed the three types of your cost, that is your design cost, engineering cost, and your research and development cost. And the fourth one is your cost of material. Okay. Cost of material can be estimated from the design by determining the type and your amount and shapes required in production. Okay, so basically, like which type of material is required and how much amount of material is required, what is the shape of that material which we have to like produce, okay, and which we have to buy. Okay, after that how much we have to give allowance for wastage, spoilage and scrap, that also includes in your cost estimate. And like if we get much scrap or maybe less scrap, that amount of that scrap is excluded while we prepare our costing sheet, and that scrap is your multiplied by the market rate of scrap per kg or whatever unit in your country is there. So that is subtracted from your total cost of material. Okay, now fifth point is your cost of labor. Okay, when we producing any product, so there is also labor includes in that. Okay, the cost of labor includes the direct labor time into rate of that product. Okay, like in every country there are different rates of labor uh, per hour. Okay, and according to that we the wages to the labor are paid. The determination of these values will require a thorough knowledge of the operation performed. Okay, risk in the operation, sequence of operation. Okay, like how many machines are used and what types of toolings are used. Okay, so these all includes that it will give us the data of how many total labors are working, how many them are skilled, how many them are unskilled, what is the rate per hour, how many hours they are working, what is the risk factor of every operation. According to all these points, the cost of labor is determined. Okay. Now next one is cost of quality. That the product we are delivering to our customer should be of good quality so that our production continues without any complaint from the customer end. Okay. So next one is our how many points we have discussed? 4 5 points. Okay. Now next we have the cost of quality. Okay, so your cost of quality will include cost of inspection and your cost of inspection equipments, cost of maintaining process control charts, and cost associated with improving product quality. So there are four main factors like cost of inspection, cost of inspection, tooling, okay, and cost of maintaining process control charts, maintaining process control charts, and what is the cost associated with improving product quality. Cost associated with improving product quality. So all these factors will give us the cost of quality. Next one is our tooling. cost. Okay, so tooling cost includes what by the name define it will include the tool cost, the cost of fixtures, the cost of sharpening tools, the cost of tool storage, and the cost of your manufacturing the jigs also. All these comes here under tooling. Like and other things, what it will include are cutting fluid cost. Okay, because this is also a material that is used for tooling. Okay, so it will include in the tooling cost also. Okay, so what it will include? It will include the tool cost, tools storage cost, okay, sharpening tools, cutting fluid being used. We can count this either in material cost, either in separately tooling cost or in overhead cost. Okay, the last one we have the overhead cost. We can write here also. Okay, the overhead cost, what it will include? It will include all that cost which cannot be charged to a specific product. Okay, like the cost that is indulged to the total plant or to total product which are being manufactured in a company or an industries. Okay, this is the largest cost component, and more work needs to be done to assign cost to the specific products rather than use general overhead rates. Okay, like overhead cost, what all cost may be included in this? I already told you, like maintenance cost, okay, administrative expenses, your other consumable items like grease, lubricants, plant overhauling, and other things that are correlated to the other activities going on in the plant. Okay, so these are the basic main your components of cost estimate. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have any query, please mention it in the comment box.